In this video, let us learn how to write a program to display the Fibonacci series up to nth term. This is a Python program example. In this series, we are bringing so many examples. So please watch each video and practice the example and learn Python. This program is concerned, we talk about Fibonacci series. Let us understand what is Fibonacci series and how to find the Fibonacci series up to the nth term. So here is a picture of Fibonacci and here is the series. What is the series is? So here we have the numbers. So first two numbers you can say start as 0, 1, then you add the previous number, then you'll get 1 again. You add 1 plus 1, you'll get 2, 1 plus 2, you'll get 3, 2 plus 3, you'll get 5, 5 plus 3, you'll get 8, 5 plus 8, you'll get 13, 13 plus 21, 34, 21, 34 is equal to 55. Like that, if you add the previous two numbers, you'll get a next number. That is the concept of Fibonacci series. Let us learn like how to write this program and display the Fibonacci series up to the nth term. Nth term means if I give 10 up to this, it should display. If I give 20, it should display 20 terms, which comes under the Fibonacci series. Okay, let us write the program for the same. Okay, start Python. So here is the Python. We started by default editor and go to file menu, create new file. So we'll have a new file, save the file. Then you can take the variable nvar, that is equal to int input. Int is a function to convert string into integer. Input is a function to read the input value. So please enter a nth term or how many terms you want. Okay, up to how many terms you want to find the Fibonacci series. So that is the n term. So first two numbers will take n1 comma n2, that is equal to 0 comma 1. These are the first two numbers, and we'll take the count variable cvar is equal to 0. So another variable to count like how many are over. So use the while loop. So this cvar less than, okay, we'll take greater than. So okay, cvar greater than this nvar. So then you can increment the cvar once. So here we have n1 is the first number, n2 is the second number. So let us print the first number, print n1. So n1 will be printed. Then what we'll do is we'll take one more variable. Let's say n2 var, that is equal to, sorry, n2 is already there. Okay, let's say n3 var. So this is equal to n1 plus n2. We'll add both the numbers. So because 0 plus 1, it becomes 1. Here it is 0. Now when you add, this n3 becomes 1. Next what we'll do is n1 is equal to n2. This n2 number will pass. Now this n1 becomes 1. Next cvar is equal to cvar plus 1. So we check the loop. Okay, so if the loop exits the nvar, so it should exit the loop. Save the program. Okay, so a small change actually. Cvar initially is a 0, nvar is the total counts. So generally total counts will be more and cvar is a less actually. Then we are incrementing the cvar. So initially we thought of less only, so here it should be less than. So now let's run the program. So 10 terms we want. So it's showing only 1 only. So this is because we are not replaced the n2 value. So this n2 value is equal to n3 var. So whatever is added, it should be replaced. Okay, so n2 should go to n1 and n3 should come to n2. So now let us say 10 terms. So you can see that it is printing up to 34. So including 0. Now if you say 20 terms, you can see that it's keep on increasing. So if you want to find 50 terms, So you can see that it becomes a very big number. If you want 100 numbers, it's quite big. Okay, adding only take very long time, but system can do things faster. Okay, so let's say 10,000. Okay, it's a quite huge number. So what I'll do is I'll break this, Control C to break. Okay, if the program is endless and it is very long, so you can break that one using the Control C. Hope you understand like how to generate the Fibonacci series. So please try this program, understand the concept. Here what we do is first you will take the number of terms, then there are two variables n1, n2. n1 is 0, n2 is 1. There is one more variable c var is equal to 0, while c var less than n var. So this is 0 first time. If you give n var as a 10, it's 10. So up to 10 we want to find out, because it's less than, minus 1 will be there, because 10 means is not equal sign if you use that, find up to 10, right? So print n1, you have to print the first term, then n3 will take one more new term, n1 plus n2, will add both the numbers and will pass to this, and whatever this n1 will shift it here, n1 is equal to n2, n2 is equal to n3. Now numbers are shifted, then we are incrementing the count variable, and now count variable becomes 1, and next time count variable is 2, next time count variable is 3, like that it will go up to 9 times. If you use the equal sign, it will go up to 10 times. So now if you say 10, so it will print up to 55, that's the 10th term. Fine. So please practice, and if you have anything to say, please put it in the comment. Let me know what you're thinking.